Hello and welcome to this video. I will share with you step by step how to cancel Fanvue subscription. So if you want to cancel your membership, go to your accounts and then go to for subscription. As you can see here, I don't have subscription. So I give you how you can cancel your subscription. Click on your subscription here. Select your manage my membership or subscription. Click end subscription, this option. So this is for your end subscription. When you click this icon, you will see this option. Click confirm or unsubscription. So you have still access. Click this icon. When you click this icon, you will direct it this one, and then you just click unsubscription, and then you will see your subscription was cancelled successfully. Just go to your subscription here. Don't use this. This is just for profile. You should be click on your subscription here, and then you will cancel your subscription successfully. You can also use this for the setting and then go to payments and then go to manage my subscription and then click on subscription here. I hope this guide helpful for your friends. Don't forget give like and give share this